buying a used car in 2025.
Yes!
Genius move. New cars lose value faster than your willpower at an all-you-can-eat buffet, while a great used car gives you all the perks without the financial heartbreak.
No comment. But yes.
It's like dating someone with emotional maturity. Rare, but totally worth it. So if you're looking for a ride that won't drain your wallet or your patience, here are the top 5 used cars to grab, ranked from amazing to absolute legend. Hyundai Tucson. Hyundai has been glowing up lately, and the Tucson is proof. It's got style, comfort, and enough tech to make you feel like you're living in 2030. You get a roomy interior, modern design, and features like a touchscreen infotainment system that actually makes sense. Plus, with Hyundai's legendary warranty, which often transfers to second owners, you might still have coverage long after you buy it, because who doesn't love free repairs? Mazda's CX-5 is what happens when a car decides to be both fun and responsible. It drives like a dream, handles corners better than most sedans, and looks way more expensive than it is. The interior feels like it was designed by someone who actually cares about aesthetics, unlike some SUVs that feel like they were built by an accountant. And with its sporty handling and peppy engine, it's the SUV for people who refuse to admit they're now driving an SUV. Third, Honda Civic. The Civic is like that friend who can party all night but still wake up at 6 a.m. to run a marathon.
It's me, man.
It's fun to drive, fuel efficient, and so reliable it'll probably outlive your last 3 relationships. The newer models come with solid tech features, meaning you can impress your passengers without explaining why your Bluetooth won't connect. And since Civics hold their value ridiculously well, you could probably resell it for close to what you paid, assuming you ever let it go. Second, Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is basically the Swiss Army knife of cars. Roomy, reliable, and surprisingly fuel efficient. It's the kind of car that can handle your morning commute, a Costco run, and a weekend camping trip without breaking a sweat.
Wow.
Plus, its hybrid version sips gas so efficiently you might forget what a gas station looks like. And let's be real, if an apocalypse ever happens, a bunch of RAV4s will probably still be running while everything else falls apart. First, Toyota Camry. And in the top spot, we have the Toyota Camry, aka the car that refuses to die.
You can't be serious, man. You cannot be serious!
Need a ride that won't betray you? This is it. It's comfortable enough for road trips, practical enough for daily commutes, and just stylish enough to not feel completely like a dad car. Unless you are a dad, in which case, congratulations, you've made an excellent choice. Even a decade from now, your Camry will still be running, while your friends' flashy new cars will be in a scrapyard. And let's not forget the hybrid model. Saving gas while you sip your overpriced coffee just feels right. If you're buying used in 2025, these 5 are your best bets. Stylish, sporty, and built to last. Smart buyers don't chase new, they chase good. So grab a deal, hit the road, and enjoy knowing you outsmarted car depreciation. Like this list. Subscribe for more smart car tips.